This is the mad street. As we pull it over and come out, there's a Sino. What do you say? Sino, yeah.
True reggae.
Sino, man.
Make it living. The positive living.
Yeah, tell you.
Do you living? Do you? True reggae.
Man, Sino, man. This is Asylum Street. Yeah. Asylum Street is here. I just did. Asylum Street. Hey, it's like a mad street. Yeah, lie. Yes, this is Asylum Street. Right here. This is the blizzard of 2013. Oh, me I don't try anyway. Should have been inside. Oh.
You're moving forward.
Chumbal Street,
got to stay positive in all time. Do you dance? You do you move? I need some acres of land now to feed you. True reggae, a true reggae, true reggae, a true reggae. Now tell me, how can the world come
here,
to an end when you
who can stand
true reggae?
Is it?
And how the straight can be bent when you have true reggae, true reggae, true reggae, true reggae, a true reggae, a true reggae. Do you think true reggae? I need some acres land now to feed you.
Yeah, this is it. Asylum Street really closed down, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, that's it.
I love to give. I love to give. I'm traveling in. Traveler. Travel all around. In every town. And what I got to give, just love.
In the meantime,
Love.
yeah, you can't go down all this road, yeah.
I love to give it to the world
The
now.
blizzard of
I'm the
2013.
kind of man who face reality. I love to give, I love to give, I love to give, I love to give. Ooh, take it easy, my friends. Love is here again,
Mad,
and I would like to
crazy.
give my love. You know, I would like to give my love.
Yeah, this is really crazy on the side of the street here. People have the lights have to come pick up. You
And I
see,
would give it in the evening.
this is crazy.
Anywhere
Yeah, man,
I
I tell
go.
you.
I love to give, I love to give, I love to give, I love to give. Traveling in, travel out. I travel all around, in and every town. And what I've got to give, love. I love to give, I love to give, I love to give, I love to give. Cool, take it easy, my friends. Love is here again. I love to give, I love to give.
Yeah, this is Lionman reporting from Hartford, Connecticut.
I love to give, I love to give, I love to give, I love to give. I'm traveling in, travel out, travel all around, in and every town. And what I got to give, just love, love. I love to give it to the world now. I'm the kind of man who face reality. I love to give, I love to give, I love to give, I love to give. Cool, take it easy, my friends. Love is here again, and I would like to give my love. You know, I would like to give my love, and I'll give it in the morning.